The price of one Digibyte (DGB coin) right now is $0.00659. It has lost 8% in the past 24 hours. The price of DGB ended higher than it started 47.03% of the time. One DGB has ever been worth as much as $0.1550, which happened 3 years and 2 months ago. The price is now 95.75% less than that all-time high. Out of 17 technical indicators, 3 say to buy and 12 say to sell. Based on technical price analysis, the short-term prediction mood is bearish. The $0.0249 level is the first big uptrend resistance for DGB. It needs to close above that level to keep going up. The Relative Strength Index, or SI, for the last 14 days is currently at 32.19, which means that the market is not oversold or overvalued. In the same way, the Relative Strength Index, or SI, for the weekly chart is at 35.19, which also shows that the market is acting normally. Exponential moving averages show a bearish sign on the daily chart. The price of Digibyte is below all exponential moving averages right now. For times out of 11 times in the past, the price of DGB on the last day of July was higher than the starting price. 7 times out of 11 times, the price was lower than the price at the beginning of the month. Since 2008, February has been Digibyte's best month. 7 times. The price of DGB at the end of February was higher than the price at the beginning of the month. June is the worst month because the price at the end of the month is 8 times less than the price at the beginning of the month. For more information, look at monthly results. Digibyte has had 3 bull runs. The first one peaked in February 2014, and the price quickly dropped to $0.0151. It was 321 days later that the price hit its lowest point, $0.0000 for $00, before the next bull run. Since February 2014, it took about 4 years to reach a new all-time high. There have been 1,161 days since the last bull run in May 2021. It took DGB 1,191 days to reach a new all-time high the last time. Our Digibyte price estimate says that the price of DGB could reach $0.00755 in the next 10 days. In the long term, we think that the price will be $0.0190 in 2025 and $0.0359 in 2030. Taking all of the past highs and lower time frame predictions into account, the prediction for 2040 is $0.1098. We think that Digibyte will be worth $0.0190 in 2025. That's the highest price we think DGB will go to, and $0.0144 is the lowest price we think it will go to. How DGB will do in the coming days. 7 Sun July 2020 for $0.007 for $7. 8 Monday July 2020 for $0.007 for $2. 09 Tuesday July 2020 for $0.00735. 10 Wednesday July 2020 for $0.00728. 11 Thursday July 2020 for $0.00721. 12th of July 2024, Friday $0.0071 for $. 13 Saturday, July 2020 for $0.00711. 14 Sunday, July 2020 for $0.0070 for $. 15 Monday, July 2020 for $0.00697. $0.00755 is what the DGB price will be tomorrow. We think the price of DGB will be $0.00755 tomorrow, which is 14.5% more than it was today. Next week's estimate, on the other hand, is $0.00697, which is minus 7.62% less than this week's highest guess of $0.00755.